Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Mielle, and I'm back with another video. Okay. Period. Y'all, I really wish I could roll my tongue longer than what I be rolling it for, but it's okay. So y'all, as y'all can tell from the video and as y'all can see from my nappy ass head, we are going to be trying to define these curls, honey. Like, so with that being said, I just took it out from a sew-in. And now I'm just about to try to do something to make it look cute for work, because I got drunk last night and ended up taking my braids down knowing that I had to work today. So now I gotta figure this shit out. Mind y'all, I didn't even know I was drunk. I woke up the next morning and half my braids was out. Like, what the fuck? Nope. It's gone. Even a white one? Pretty sure it's gone, baby. It's gone. Everything's gone. I got some castor oil right here. I'm gonna go ahead and oil my hair up really quickly while I figure out what products I necessarily want to do. My hair type, you guys, I really do not even know, to be honest, because I used to be a 4. And the reason why I say used to be is because I used to be a 4. Like, my shit was nappy as fuck. When I would wash it, you would not see curls. Like, it was just nappy as fuck. But I ended up putting white people products in my hair. And excuse me if I have white people watching me. Don't take offense, but baby, y'all know we cannot use the same products. And I should have known motherfucking better. But I ended up doing that, putting white people products in my hair, and it messed my hair up. So I had to actually cut it. It actually loosened up my curls, which is what I wanted it to do, but it still messed my hair up. And so I ended up cutting my hair off and basically starting all over. And then something else happened to where I ended up cutting my hair again and kind of starting all over. And so now it's like, when I went to the professional and I let her cut my hair, and I asked her what my hair type was, and she told me, I said, is it still a 4? And she said, no, you're not a 4, you're like a 3. So I think I'm most definitely a 3 now. Okay, but yeah, so that being said, I washed my hair. All I did was just wash my hair with conditioner, my Mielle conditioner, the pomegranate in her. What I'm about to do, I put that black castor oil in my hair and oil my hair up. And so now what I'm about to do is spray some leave-in conditioner, my Mielle leave-in conditioner. Shake that up, shake it up, shake it up. Spray, spray, spray. Oh, this shit not even coming out. Girl, now why this stuff not coming out? Y'all see the naps falling? I really don't want to wear my hair. Oh, why is it not working? Somebody broke my shit. Somebody must have came in here and broke my shit. Girl. Y'all, I really got fucking drunk last night, but I don't even remember getting drunk. That's the fucking crazy thing about it. Like, that's why it's so shocking to me, because like, bitch, you always drunk. But it's the fact that I didn't see it coming. I didn't know. Fuck, I didn't know. All right, so I sprayed that conditioner in it. Boop, 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 boop. So normally I like comb out my hair, because obviously, like, y'all see like my hair falling out, but I'm not gonna do that. Nope. So next, what I'm about to do is put some moisturizing hair milk in there. Okay, get some moisturizing milk inside of my hair. Make sure you get the front, the top. Okay, make sure you get that part that's looking a little rusty and dusty and busted. Make sure I get this part back here, cause this, see, back here feel like it's a faux. But when I do this, it's like boop. Like I don't know, y'all. I don't fucking know. But yeah, so get some of that good old milk back there. Now I cut my hair about a month ago. I believe. And so that's why it's short, because I cut it again. But I said I'm not cutting no more. I'm tired of cutting, because my shit be growing, then I fuck it up, and then yeah, so. Alright. So I'm gonna have this in my spray bottle, but I want my hair to be soaked, because like my hair take a lot of moisture. Like I literally just washed my hair and it's not even dripping for real, so I want it to be like soaked. So I'm just gonna pour some of this Lottie Body in it, just to give it that juice. I kind of want a jerry curl. Bitch said jerry curl. No, but for real, I just want it to be able to stay moisturized throughout the day, because I don't want to go to work looking one way and then come back looking another way, because my hair tends to do that to me a lot. Like my ego. You forgetting me.
How much will it do?
Yeah, because you keep forgetting stuff. You forgetting me. Dope.
You ain't ready?
I know that. Well, I'm just letting you
What I'm
know.
about to do now is part my hair. I guess to make it easy, but I really don't want to part it. But I'm trying to see, because it don't make no sense for me to put this eco style in my hair, and my hair is not going to do right. So, let's see what's about to give, baby. Alright, so, this step, right? I want to get the water in it, just because. Now they say when you're defining it, this is really all you're doing is putting fucking eco gel in it and making it, look like something. But I have water and gel in my hair, on my hands. But yeah, so that's why I cut my hair, because it wasn't coming up. And see, it still has some strags that's doing it. But see, this right here flipping, but like this not flipping, that's because this is from the straight ends. It's like it's curling, but it's not curling. And it's fucking confusing.
So yeah, I ended up transitioning. When I first transitioned, I did not cut my hair. So this is basically what I'm seeing in the background. But when I first transitioned, I didn't cut my hair. I just transitioned over, and my hair was like, okay, you want to be natural, I'm gonna give you nigga naps. And I got natural. And so I didn't like that, and I wanted looser curls. And then I started putting all these products in and messing my shit up, so I had to cut it. This is like my 4th time cutting my hair since I'd been natural, right? And so with that being said, this last time I ended up getting a silk press. That's the only reason why I cut my hair the last 2 times, is because I got a silk press and it messed up my hair. When I got the silk press the last time, my hair did not curl up, so I ended up cutting the straight ends. But when I cut it, I was like, you know what, fucking, I'm not cutting more hair. It is what it is. And then I ended up going to a professional to let her even out what I cut. And she was like, you didn't have to do that. You could have just transitioned over and it was going to shake back. But bitch, I want my shit to shake back now. So basically what y'all see me doing is coiling my hair with my fingers. But certain parts is not coiling. Certain parts are, and certain parts aren't coiling. Y'all know the difference. When it coil and it's cute, y'all see those pretty curls sitting and popping up at the bottom, at the back. But when I get towards the top and on the side, I'm curling and it's not doing anything. Y'all see it like stiff or whatever. Those are the straight ends that I did not want to cut. But my professional hair technician told me not to do it. So yeah, it's giving pretty much Michael Jackson. It's giving you need to do something with your hair, most definitely. Coiling this shit right here and it's not coiling. That's because that's one of the fucking straight bitches. See, it's one of those straight bitches. Like, it's curling slowly but surely. And that's why she didn't want to cut it. She like, no, don't cut it. It's going to shake back. Bitch, I need it to shake back now. Fuck, wait until later to shake back. Alright, so this is what it's going to get for today. Because I'm not finna keep playing my hair. I always be trying to play with this stupid ass, nappy ass, stupid ass, funky ass shit. And it never motherfucking work. And I'm sick of this shit. I'm sick of wasting my motherfucking time doing this motherfucking shit. Every time I motherfucking put some motherfucking chemicals in my motherfucking head, it's one of the motherfucking chemicals never motherfucking taking my motherfucking head. And I'm sick of this motherfucking shit. Okay? Alright, you guys. So this is the finished look or whatever. It's not how I expected it to go, but I'm not finna fight with my hair. I'm tired of fighting with my hair. I've been fighting with my hair since I fucking transitioned over to being natural. With that being said, if you guys seen where I went wrong with this look, please help the girl out. Comment down below and let me know what I need to be doing. I only use Mielle product. Well, I ain't gonna say only, but right now I'm mostly majority using Mielle products only because of the simple fact that Mielle products works for me. And so with that being said, y'all just let me know like what I can do. I probably might be able to go back to Can 2. What do you guys think? I don't know. I might be able to go back to Can 2 since I'm not a full-blown 4C anymore. I don't know. But with that being said, y'all, this is the final look. This is what I'm doing. And this is how I'm going to work. And I'm hoping that I make some money. I hope I don't scare people away. I hope that my curls stay like this. If my curls do not stay like this all night, I'm most definitely going to come on here and let you guys know. Most definitely. Gotta let y'all know. But, I mean, the curls, they're okay. They cute. They giving, but it's not giving. Like, it's giving ball bitch. Like, I'm gonna keep saying it. I don't know, but yeah, so this is it. That's it. Y'all comment below. Y'all let me know what y'all thought about this video. If y'all want to see me do more, natural hairstyles on myself, all you gotta do is just comment that below, and I can definitely get those videos to y'all as well. I'm trying to just keep it like preserve my hair, so like wigs and, you know, sew wigs and stuff like that, just to keep it growing. But yeah, so all you gotta do is just comment down below, and I'll definitely do those videos for y'all. If y'all like this video, make sure y'all give it a big old thumbs up. Do not forget to share with everyone that you know, and let them know that your girl over here is motherfucking lit, okay, period. I keep it motherfucking real, okay, period. And I do what I do, period. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on another one. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and turn the post notifications on, okay, period. Don't do it. Don't forget. Don't forget. All right, period.